Hello traders, you are welcome to my video on the Starc Bands Indicator. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the best Forex tips and strategies. Now, in this video, we are going to be diving into a powerful tool that can seriously up your trading game, and that is the Starc Bands. If you've been struggling with identifying trends or volatility in the market, this is the video for you. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Starc Bands to make more informed decisions when you are trading Forex. So let us just jump right into it. Before we get into how to use the Starc Bands indicator, let us first understand what they are. Now, Starc bands or smooth average through range channels are an indicator derived from Bollinger Bands. As you can see how the indicator resembles Bollinger Bands, right? But there is a twist to it, okay? While Bollinger Bands use a standard deviation calculation to plot upper and lower bands around a moving average, the Starc bands adjust the distance between those bands based on the average through range. This means that Starc bands adapt to volatility in the market. Okay, so the key difference here is that Starc bands can help smooth out price fluctuations during low volatility periods, giving you a clearer picture of market trends. With Bollinger bands, you might experience a lot of noise during quieter market conditions, but Starc bands make it easier to spot the bigger moves, helping you make more accurate trading decisions. Now that we know what Starc bands are, let us talk about how to use them in your trading. The bands themselves consist of an upper band, a lower band, and a middle band, which is typically a simple moving average, okay, just like in Bollinger bands. But the width of the band adjusts automatically depending on the volatility, okay? So when volatility increases, let's look for, a period of, okay? When volatility increases, the bands expand, all right? So can you see what happened around here? When volatility increases, the bands expand. And when volatility decreases, the bands contract. Okay, you can see what happened here. You can see how the bands contracted. Now, the first way you can use Starc bands is to identify breakout opportunities. When the price moves close to or breaks the upper or lower band, it signals a potential trend continuation. If the price is moving towards the upper band, that could be a sign of bullish momentum. But if it is moving toward the lower band, it could be a bearish signal. This is especially useful when you are looking for trends that have just started to take shape. Now, another way to use the Starc band is to watch for consolidation periods. All right, watch for consolidation periods. When the bands are tight, it means the market is calm and the price is moving sideways, indicating a potential breakout in either direction. In this case, we had a breakout to the upside, right? So this is where your patience will pay off, because once the price breaks out of the consolidation phase, it could follow a strong trend, just like what we had happen here. But here's the thing, no indicator works in a vacuum. While Starc bands can be extremely helpful, they work even better when combined with other tools in your trading arsenal. For example, you can decide to combine the Starc bands with a momentum indicator like the relative strength index or the moving average convergence divergence. Here is how it works. Let us say you notice that the price is approaching the upper Starc band, suggesting a potential bullish move. Yeah. If at the same time your RSI is showing an overbought condition, anything above 70, this might give you a clue that price could reverse soon. On the other hand, if the RSI shows that the market is still in a strong bullish trend and has not yet hit overbought territory, that could reinforce your decision to stay in the trade, right? Similarly, you could combine the stack bands with support and resistance levels. You can plot these key levels on your chart. All right, identify these important zones on your chart. If the price approaches a resistance level near the upper stack band, it could be a key level to watch for a potential reversal. Or if it breaks through that resistance, like what happened here, then you might see the price continue trending in that direction. Okay? So let's just go through a very quick example. You can see that this is the gold chart, right? It's a gold chart. So imagine you are looking at the gold chart and you see that the price is approaching the upper stack band. You've noticed that the market has been bullish. You can see that from this point, after this sideways movement, the market was actually bullish, from this point, right? And you notice that you know, um, the bands were also showing that this was a bullish move. You can see how the direction that the bands were going. And then maybe at the same time, you pull up your RSI and you see that the RSI's reading, you can see around this zone, the RSI's reading was still around the 55 level, right? Nothing extreme, but suggesting that there is strength in the current trend. So this could give you confidence to enter the trade in the direction of the bullish trend, as there's still room for it to move. Now, if you saw the RSI creeping into overbought territory and the price reaching the upper band, like what happened here, you might hold off on entering or even consider taking your profits. So if you had entered a buy around here, you probably would have taken your profits around here when this consolidation was just starting, this particular consolidation. Okay? So stack bands give you a solid framework for making these types of decisions. And that is a quick rundown of how you can use stack bands to enhance your Forex trading strategies. They are a great tool for understanding market volatility and can help you spot trends and breakouts before they happen. But remember, no single indicator is perfect. Okay? So combine stack bands with other tools and always practice good risk management. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Forex trading tips and strategies. Drop a comment below if you've used stack bands before or if you've got any questions. I'll see you in the next video.